vlogging on my phone this morning. I have some Fashion Week stuff. It's about 9:30 a.m. and I'm about to head out to the Nuno Basics presentation and like customization event. So I thought I would show you my outfit. I just rushed home to change this morning. I was not at home last night. So I am wearing this vegan leather blazer from this brand called More More More. I picked it up at a boutique in my neighborhood called Sincerely Tommy. I'll have their social media and website linked down below. And then I'm wearing this Jack and Jack pleated dress underneath. I probably should have steamed it, but it's raining outside today and it probably would have just gotten wrinkled again. I'm wearing this Stutz Trail Offerings necklace from a couple collections ago. I believe we're gonna be restocking these soon though for all of you guys that have been inquiring about that. So that's really exciting. And then I'm also wearing our oxidized band, which these I think are also going to be restocking soon. And then I'm wearing my beloved Bickenberg boots from my friend at Venita's store, one of my favorite archive stores. It's a Belgian store. And they just stock all of my favorite designers. And then I have a little ear cuff on. And that is my outfit, but I really need to run out the door.
Yo.
So I'm home now. I'm changed into my comfy clothes and I'm having some more coffee. I'm just gonna be getting like some work done for the rest of the day and also a bit of cleaning. I feel like my apartment hasn't necessarily been dirty. I usually don't let it get like actually dirty. There just tends to be like my stuff sprawled out everywhere. But anyways, I thought that this would be the perfect time to tell you guys about the sponsor of this video, which is Blueland. I'm not sure if you're familiar. I wasn't super familiar until they reached out to me, and it's such a cool concept that I wish that I've been using for way longer. If you're interested in getting started with them, you can order the Clean Essentials Kit, which will give you everything that you need to clean your home. They send you 3 different Forever bottles, one for the bathroom, one for multi-surface, and one for glass and mirror. Then they also send you a foaming hand soap container with 4 tablets. And to make the cleaning solution, literally all you do is you fill the bottle with water and then drop in a tablet and creates the solution for you. I brought my bathroom container in here to show you guys, and as you can tell, I have been using it and it works great. After you purchase the cleaning kit, their refills are only $2 each. So it's definitely more affordable than repurchasing cleaning products over and over again at a regular store. And these are also so small. And when you're using a solution like Blueland, you stop throwing out plastic bottles over and over again. And you also stop contributing to shipping water, because even if you purchase it at a store, the bottles had to be shipped to the store. So if you guys are interested, you can click the link in my description and use my code to pick it up for just $39, and you'll get a free set of refills at an 18% saving for the future. Yeah, I think the rest of my day is probably going to be pretty chill, so I'll catch up with you guys when I'm doing something more interesting and Fashion Week related. I have actually been so bad at vlogging, but I'm going to try to do a bit better today. It is Sunday and I just got ready. I went out last night to a Flaunt magazine party, did not get any clips, but I'm feeling a little hungover today, I must admit. And it is so cold outside. It's so hard to make it outside, but I thought I would show you my outfit. This is a vintage wool top, super cozy. I just wanted to be cozy today. And then I'm wearing this Our Legacy cotton dress. It has a high neck and long sleeves, so it's a good extra layer. And I'm wearing leggings underneath instead of tights because I wore tights yesterday and it was too cold. I'm wearing a Stutz sample necklace and I just have my sunglasses on, the chain over top of them, and my Telfar bag and green Prada loafers. I need to get going. I think I have time to pick up a coffee on the way, so I'm gonna do that.
Make sure to give you a think of it. Okay. And then I was working on the card tapestry garments. No, it's fine. Everything is like I got everything is patterned in that. There's a few items that like that dress is like super specific, so like I don't really want to have those take my sample. She'll take that
Hi guys, so I just got back from Farfetch, took a shower, which is why my hair is wet. Although it's super rainy and gloomy outside today, I wouldn't be surprised if my hair looks like this when I got home anyways. But I wanted to show you some of the pieces that I picked up from their clubhouse. They rented out this like huge townhouse in the West Village. It was wild. So first I'm wearing this Miu Miu Farfetch exclusive top for Valentine's Day. I have a variety of different kisses tees. I'll have these linked down below. Also, this video isn't sponsored, by the way. I just thought I would share with you guys since I'm kind of vlogging Fashion Week stuff. Poorly though. So much other stuff is just going on. It's hard to remember to film as well. But I got the Corpse Bride top. They had a variety of different like iconic lovers though on the tees, so that's really cool. And then I got this amazing Philip Lem blazer that I ended up styling as a dress with my linen bucket hat and Bickenberg boots. I'll insert some photos of this on. I've never worn any Philip Lem clothing pieces, but as soon as I saw this I was just like, that is so me. I need it. So I'm so glad I was able to wear this. And then some really cool pants by Derek Lam that I did not get the chance to wear. They're incredibly comfy. They kind of remind me of like Issey Miyake Pleats Please, but a lot thicker. And a knit material instead. It's like a much more stylish version of yoga pants that we wore in like 2010, 2011. Now I'm about to run back out, but I'm glad I got to show you guys those pieces.